Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
WIT. WIT means capacity for inventive thought and quick understanding. For example, he does not lack perception or native wit. He does not lack perception or native wit. Synonyms: intelligence, shrewdness, astuteness.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. His sense of humor and quick wit were legendary. Now, repeat after me. His sense of humor and quick wit were legendary. The second exempli. He's got the quick wit and playful silliness of Nito. Now, repeat after me. He's got the quick wit and playful silliness of Nito. The third exempli. But equal to this was his quick wit and indomitable humor. Now, repeat after me. But equal to this was his quick wit and indomitable humor.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word triskaidekaphobia means extreme fear of the number 13. This superstition is related to paraskavidikatriophobia, which means fear of Friday the 13th.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.